Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, we are definitely in a wave 5, I think, and we may be getting somewhat close to being over, but we are not respecting the 78%, which means that the next area of resistance for me is the 100%. So I think even if it does go down a little bit, it's still going to be a crescent to the uptrend. I definitely expect it to go up to at least this 100% Fibonacci extension. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're probably in an extended wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5. Like I was just explaining, I think that the trend is still up, and I would definitely still expect it to go up to at least 100% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've been going down for the last few days, which is actually great news for us because if it makes a three-way pattern, that's going to give us a really nice opportunity to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. We do have a couple areas of resistance up here, the 163.4 and the 162.2. Definitely could be areas of resistance. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move down to me definitely looks like a trend. It looks like actually a pretty nice 5 wave trend. Tells me that it probably is a wave A. That tells me that this is probably an A, a B, and a C, which would most likely be a wave B. Probably going to turn at one of these Fibonacci levels back to the downside and make a wave C, which like I was just saying, that's great news for us because if it makes a three-way pattern to the downside, that's going to be a really nice opportunity to go long for the continuation of the bigger uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it is definitely still going up. There's no evidence of it going down yet. If it goes down and breaks structure, that tells us that the wave B is over, but I kind of doubt it. It's going to end now and it's going to end here. It's probably more likely to at least make its way up to the 61.8. That is a lot of resistance around that area, so seems like a pretty likely area to have the end of an A, a B, and a C correction. If you see it go up to a Fibonacci level, then break structure to the downside, that's exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Probably a wave A over here, probably an A, B, C, or B, and then probably back down again for the bigger wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.